Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys an update on my portfolio just like I do every single day. What a day it was today. You're going to notice that we did make a lot of money today in the markets, which is good. I don't know if it's going to reflect overall in the portfolio as an overall gain, but we did trade in and out of trades. And all of those trades I actually made public in the community section on the channel. So if you go to my YouTube channel and you click on the community section, you're going to see all of my alerts and you're going to get to calculate exactly how much money I made in the markets today. So it was a good day. I'm pretty sure a lot of you had good days. And for those of you who are in AMC currently, I bet you guys are killing it. I'm currently not in AMC, as you guys will see in my portfolio. However, I think I did have a good day. The portfolio did have an excellent day. And if it wasn't for crypto, I think we would have been much higher than where we are today. Now, with that being said, let's quickly jump into the portfolio because I know that is what you guys are here for. All right, this is the portfolio. Now, I've changed things up a little bit. You guys are going to get to see me, I guess, a little smaller in the video because I do want to expose as much of the screen as I can. So first things first, the first thing you guys are going to notice is that buying power over here is at $10,300. So we did move in and out quite a bit today. However, I tried to maintain and keep that buying power at this $10,000 level. So I am still holding on to just a little bit of cash in case the market does dip a little bit and I do see some buying opportunity. That is where I'm going to make one large purchase, and hopefully that one large purchase is going to pay off. Now, as you guys can see, once again, the portfolio is currently sitting at $139,710, and we are roughly at $6,300 for the day, which is not bad. This is not a bad day. In fact, this is a good day that we've had after all of May. So sell in May and go away has finally come to an end, which I'm excited about. I did think that this is something that was going to happen. May is over. What is June going to bring? Now, we have a lot of earnings. There's a lot of tech companies with a lot of earnings. I know a lot of people are excited about NVIDIA. I am not playing the NVIDIA game. I do think that it has run up quite a bit. The stock split, of course, may have a positive effect just because we are coming out of May and the stock has struggled during that time. So now we're going to get to see kind of where we're at. Of course, the first thing you guys are going to get to see are my options. And the first option that you see here is Apple. And I am losing about $13,000 on these Apple calls. Now, I'm not too worried about them because I bought these calls when Apple was at 127. These are 135 calls. I do think that by the time they mature, I will be able to buy the stock. Or I could just extend time a little more. Now, I don't know how this is going to pan out. I do hope that the stock does run up, does have a run up. It has been sitting still stagnant for quite some time. In fact, Apple today did have a little bit of positive momentum, did have a little bit of a positive move. We finally saw it break that 124, head up to 125. Anyways, that's something that I'm going to show you in a little bit. So we have these calls. We also have two calls that are currently behind my face, which is why you can't see them. Both of them are GSAH, which is the Goldman Sachs SPAC calls, and both of them are expiring in July. Now, I am losing a little bit of money. I'm down 16% on those calls. However, not too worried about it. We are supposed to hear some good news. I have been holding on to these calls for quite some time, and I will continue to hold on to these calls. They are $10 calls. So as you all know, SPACs have a minimum, a bottoming out of $10. So I don't see too much downside risk, but the upside gain, the upside potential is significantly high. I have 30 calls combined in both options, and I think I will do fairly well in them. But I guess only time will tell. Let's continue with the stocks and see what the stocks are looking like in the portfolio today. So stocks today looking relatively good. We have ARKG, ARKK, ARKX moving quite a bit today, reducing our losses significantly. ARKW, ARKQ, ARKF also moving. PLTR also making a nice move today. Now, a lot of you told me that I should sell some PLTR puts, collect some premium on these stocks. I haven't done that just yet. I am planning on maybe sometime later this week. I'm going to see how the market moves and how the market's reacting and what PLTR does tomorrow. Tomorrow apparently is a significant day because it had its first day of positive momentum. We are expecting 3 more days or 2 more days of PLTR movement. So let's see how that plays out, and I'll make a decision on what I want to do with PLTR. NEO, BNGO, and NDM, all long-term holds in the portfolio. All of them, of course, down because we bought these when they were almost double the value. So some of these you see 43%, 34%, 13% for PLTR. PLTR, by the way, is a huge component, a huge piece of this portfolio. So we are really banking on PLTR, and once it does go up, you're going to see this portfolio shoot up significantly. Fubu down. Clove made an impressive move today. We're only down 28%. Now remember, we were down roughly around 50% on Clove not too long ago. So 28, we are making a comeback. Okay, now Excel Fleet also making a move. It's the bane of this portfolio's existence. It's very painful to watch Excel Fleet, and I've told you guys this multiple times that I think we are probably going to have to sell Excel Fleet for a loss at this point. Other than that, everything else is looking the same. Nothing's really changed much. We are going to go down into the day trades, and that's kind of where you guys get to see a little bit of green finally. We did buy some MBIO today. We are in the red for MBIO. We did buy some Apple. We sold it. We bought again. We also bought and sold Facebook a bunch of times today. All of that, of course, like I said, is posted in the community section in the video. I post alerts as soon as I buy and as soon as I sell with the percentages of the gains and losses so you guys can track them too. Now remember, if you guys want more information on this and you guys want my alerts, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and you can become a member or not. I do post alerts publicly, but I am going to take all my alerts and make them private very soon. So if you guys want to become members and get all my alerts right here on YouTube, I think the way it works is once I post an alert, you guys actually receive an email with my buying and selling, and you can benchmark off of me or you can just copy my trades if you like. So there's a join button. It's right next to the subscribe button in the community section or in the membership section. I don't know where it is. You can join. I think it's like $5 a month, which is literally nothing, and you would be supporting this YouTube channel with those $5. Anyways, these are our gains for today. These are the stocks that we bought today. I think all of them made money. I think everybody in general made money in the market, so that's a good thing. And with that, let's quickly jump into the crypto. So crypto, as you guys can see, Dogecoin, we are making some money on it. Bitcoin, we are doing better than we were yesterday. Ethereum now, we are back to $19,000 in profit. Now Ethereum, of course, lots of news coming out on Ethereum. They're actually pushing Bitcoin away and bringing Ethereum front and center. So we do anticipate Ethereum to make and continue to make moves, which is good news for this portfolio because we have significantly more Ethereum than we do Bitcoin. So that's something that I'm looking forward to, and I can't wait to see this portfolio grow significantly. Like I said earlier, guys, sell in May and go away is completely done. We are now in June. We're back into earnings season. I think there's going to be a lot more rotation into small cap and growth stocks, which is going to be really good for this portfolio. Finally, we have some movement in the market to where people are now starting to get excited, to where we are starting to get excited, to where you guys should be starting to get excited. And I can't wait to share the rest of the month with you guys day by day. So that's kind of what my portfolio looks like, guys. Once again, my name is Hamza, and I'm going to see you guys next video.